DAZA from RS3. Today it's Thursday, 15th of September 2022. Exhaust in place. This one is from Mercedes, the spring, to give the movement from the motor to the flap. Alright, looking good, not bad, not bad. Now the welders, they modified this part up to here, because the one that came with a down pipe, it was smaller, it was plain. So they modified the stainless steel pipe, titanium. It's not been modified by any means, it's not touching anywhere. Little bit massage here on the brackets, just to increase a little bit the height here, and it fits nice. They bolt the covers on, yeah, they bolt it on. Alright, they put also this cover. This cover, no need to put it now. They put Vaseline. Alright, that's a good one, beautiful, splendid. The cover, we need to open it again, because I need to leave it running the engine. I want to have a clear view. Alright, to be everybody happy. So, suspension looks okay, fine. The adjustments remaining. Here I can see more threads. Here I can see less threads on the coil. Let's make it down and pop up the hood. Okay, engine oil, it's fine. It's a little bit more than it should, but it's okay. Coolant's fine. I bring also here the temperature gauge. 35.1 here, alright. And then, well, with one hand, oh boy. $37.6. I can see that again when we're gonna start the engine. Come on now. Stupid piece of... Yeah, okay, let's do it on this way. Here. Let's do it also this one. 37.3. Yeah, okay, we're gonna see that later, not now, not now. Now it's time for vacuum. Let's pull some vacuum from there to charge the condition. $570 grams. We're gonna give up this pump, I don't know. Let's start it. Yeah, no worries. Don't worry. Wow. Let's start the condition. Let's start the condition. Yes, AC on, low. Keep it there, recycling. One second, I have to... Where should I put the phone? Give me a second. All of them, they're alive. I cannot do it with one hand. 1 second to remove the pipes. Okay, let's see if the exhaust flaps, if they are working. 1 second, turn off the air condition. No need to be open. Alright, then 1 second to hear the sound. I don't think so you can see the flap. No, you're not gonna be able to see the flap, but you're gonna be able to hear the sound. Okay, drive select. Drive select. Why it's connected on the Bluetooth? Dang it. Alright, let's go to dynamic. I wish to have somebody here with me to do that for me and to see also the motor at the same time, but it's okay. Ah, it's silent. How lovely. Okay. The fan turned off, right? Yep. Excellent. Yesterday on the first start, like all the first starts, you hear the cam adjusters and the hydraulic lifters. Hydraulic lifters are new, one camshaft, it's new, and yeah, and the cam adjusters were empty. Alright. Yeah, we might need to add a little bit of coolant. It's in the middle. Leave it to warm up. It's not bad. Ah, that's what I wanna do. Shit. I need to put the caps, not this one, a new cap here for the AC, and I found the correct fittings for the enthroned sensor. I opened the package and I put the plug with the pins here. I'm gonna keep it inside of the car. We're not gonna be the one that we're gonna connect it. I'm gonna connect only the pipes, alright? And I said yesterday to the guys to find for me 2 new hose clamps for the fuel line. Oops, that's a coolant, it's hot DAZAs, yay, for this one. Let's see if I can find it, because I don't know where they're putting, where they have it. This inside of the car, in the center console. Alright, keep it there for the customer. Alright, 63, almost 90, yep, looking good, looking good. Give me a second to see if I can find 2 clamps to install the enthroned sensor. The rubber here, why they didn't put it, I don't know. Ah, they throw it down. Hey, beautiful. 2 clamps and this one for the AC lines. Yeah. Ethanol sensor installed. Alright, let's start it to see if it's leaking. It's impossible to leak, but just in case, right? Alright. Looking good, looking good. Let's see the temperatures. Oil 71, more than 80 the coolant. 1500, not more than 1500, alright? Let's open the exhaust. that's it. Leave it running. I want to bring the diagnostic to monitor the temperatures. I want to clear also the service. Yep, let's do that. 1 second, don't start sweating in the car, right? Okay. With air condition on and exhaust flap on, yeah, it sounds more, obviously. Alright, that's it. Now we're gonna see again this car after 1,000 kilometers to check to remove the oil and open the oil filter to see that everything is fine. One oil change and then going for tuning. That's all. Thank you very much. If I forget something, I'm gonna make another video, but pretty much that's it. Thank you.